Oh, ready.
And that's a great D with a 2-pointer from 2B. Tolosa ng mamadali, bumabawi with a naagaw ni Maka. Parang bumukas ang langit para sa North Leyte kasi tumatabla na po sila mga kaibigan. Maka.
Sir. Kanala. Bula ba? Bangin makalimutan.
Dito po nagmimitis si Maka sa pito.
Maka.
Again, yes. 2-way shots. Lumalabang na po ang North Leyte. Agaw, what a good defense. And an easy 2-pointer. 50 seconds left. Tolosa. Screen. Tolosa na mamadali. Pinasa sa gitna. Aurelio. Hindi napasok. Gadamis. With the recovery to Tolosa for the win. 27 seconds left. Hindi pa po nagmimintis si Tolosa sa 3-point line with 100% accuracy. 17 seconds left. 15. 10. 5 seconds left in the shot clock.
Patay na.
And that's
Automatic.
From Bello.
Automatic.
At nagtatapos na po ang ating second quarter. With the lead.
Baligad na, baligad. 37-34. Namang North Leyte.
For North Leyte and 34 points naman sa
Halftime show.
Palakpak naman kayo dyan.
Halftime show na. Christopher. Panisan. Perdil na niya Lara, perdil.
Okay na yun guys, okay na. Kasi salamat sa ating dancer. And that was our halftime show brought to you by AT&T.
Oh, palit na lumpia, palit.
Lumpia.
Nga pala, may lumpia siyang paninda. In case nagugutom kayo, punta lang po kayo sa gilid ng ating scoreboard.
Ano, yan ka na, ano, dinadaan na, riyak.
Sisimula na po ang ating third quarter with an inbound coming from North Leyte. Alveo. Olvera to Rosales, pull-up jumper, hindi pumasok. Rebound by Natividad to Papiona. Papiona to Pinito with a crossover. At nakuha ni Olvero to Maka with an easy layup shot.
Maka
From number 7, Maka. Papiona. Papiona, tohanan. Nakuha naman ni Papiona. Papiona, floater, hindi gumana. Tumaming-tami na Bello, Tumaka, and that's 2 points.
Let's go, TCFS!
Niya po injury. Meron niya injury.
And we have an injury timeout. Kasi grabe po, piskal po ang ating laro ngayon for the championship game. Tolosa. Tumilito. Back to Tolosa. Sumasad po ang game, mga kaibigan. 14 to shoot, shot clock for 3. At nagmintes, rebound by na Cadavis. At pinasa kay De La Torre. Tola. Hindi na po siya kasali, kuya. Pilito to Cadavis. Cadavis, screen by Tolosa. Umaabante.
Man!
And that's 2 points. Foul number 7. Maka. Cadavis po na.
Nasawa. Number na nasawa.
Wala. That's in. Remaining time, we have 6 minutes and 4 seconds left in our clock. Bilinggen, Rosales. Bello. 10 to shoot.
Let's go, TCFS!
5, 4. Rebound by Tolosa. Tolosa, tunatibidad. Naagaw ni Rosales.
Mainin pa sa mainin.
Tumaka. Maka bumangga. And that's in.
Off the glass.
Tahanan. Tupilito. Nagmamadali. Tulusa. Tunatibidad. Pull-up jumper. Somobra. Remaining time, we have 5 minutes and 17 seconds left in our clock. Bilinggen to Olvera for 3. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Tolosa. 2. Cadavis. Tupilito. Hindi kinaya ng tip. Bello nagdadala ng bola.
Steal. Vantage foul.
Foul by number 3. 0. Tolosa, Aurelio. What a move! Veterans move from Aurelia. Bilinggen. Pull-up jumper. And that's out of bounds. North Baseball. Reset to
Patla. Patlat lamang North Leyte.
14
Orange.
seconds.
Lamang orange.
Kanyega. Alvero. Kanyega. 1-2 pass. Hindi kinaya. Bello. Pull up jumper and that's in. Time remaining. We have 3 minutes and 56 seconds left in our clock for the third quarter. 14 to shoot. And what a block from Bello. Traveling violation.
Good day. Nice defense ka, nice defense.
Substitution rep. To begin, Alvero out. Remaining time, we have 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Twelve to shoot. Cadaves pull-up jumper, and that's in. Kanyega, bakante. 2 points. Score, we have 47 points for North Leyte and 41 points for TCFS. Mainit talaga ang labanan, mga kaibigan.
Foul.
Foul by number 7, Beringil. 4th personal foul.
Bubusin at iya ko, subkot mo yan. Pag dinuso.
4.
Dak. Ako pag pinugong ito.
Tolosa.
Na.
Aurelia. Out of bounds.
Valeriano.
Hoxon in, Beringil out. Pilito for the inbound. 5. Number 23. Holding. Tolosa for 3. At hindi tumama, mga kaibigan. Bello na mamadali. Patungo sa kabilang court. Tutubi. Back to Bello. Pinasa sa bakante. Ang best toss for 3. Hindi sumapol. Bello. Rebound by Tolosa. Remaining time, we have 2 minutes and 17 seconds left in our clock. Pilito. Sumpalpal. Out of bounds. Remaining time, 12 seconds. Clock. Substitution rep. 12 second shot clock para sa TCFS. Ten, 4-3, Cadaves. Kanyega ng mamadali, sumusulong and deflected by Pamplona. Remaining time, we have 1 minute and 55 seconds left. Nahabol pa rin ni Pamplona kahit medyo may dinadamdam.
God, time out.
Time out! Tupi from North Leyte. Berniega. Tumi for 3. At hindi pumasok.
Rebound lot.
Berio. Pinasa kay Casper. And now it's TCFS ball. Tolosa, Tukadavis, tutahanan, hinahanap yung mga kakapi niya. Kadavis sumusulong, Esplanada. Berio to Abistos. Back to Berio. Abistos. Tanawan.
Kuha ng bola. Tanawan yung tanawan. Tahanan. Tanawan. Ang tanawan na. May naman Tolosa. Tanawan na taniya. Okay, good.
Abistos to Berio. To Tubi. Berio for 3. Hindi. Long 2. Lang pala yan. Dawa. 60 seconds remaining in our clock. Kadavis. To Papiona. 15 to shoot. Shot clock. Agaw. Berio to Abistos. Inantay. At hindi na pasok. 35 seconds left. Tolosa. Blind pass to Papiona. From Papiona. In time, we have 25 seconds left in our clock. 15 seconds. Good green. Pumawi agad. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
End of third quarter.
Doon po natapos ang ating third quarter. Kadavis to
Last quarter.
Tolosa. Tolosa. Grappling violation from Tokyo to Japan. Nitahanan.
Highlights. Patay po sini.
Romilio, tumaka. Dalaki. Tumaka. 10 to shoot. At hindi pumasok. With a hustle
Morning.
from Rosales. And that's 2 points. And that's out of bounds. Back to the North Lake.
Untuhan,
Baseball.
sintas, untuhan.
Maka to Murillo. Rosales for 3 untuhan. Hindi napasok. Rebound by Tolosa. Pinasas labas. Kadavis for ring. At hindi na pumasok Price. Langit ko Rosales. Tuntuhan. Reverse. Hindi pa rin napasok. With a fake. Hindi pa rin napasok. At nagsabukan sila. With an easy layup. Tolosa for 3 points. Tuntuhan. Nagdala ng bola. Langit. Pampiona, nagmamadali. To Gadamis.
Nice
And
pass,
that's
nice pass.
2-pointer from Gadamis. Remaining time, we have 6 minutes and 1 second for the fourth quarter. Points. North Lady has 54 points and TCFS 47 points. Humahabal po mga kaibigan ang TCFS. Alvero Maka, Umbelio Maka for 3. A 3-pointer from Maka. Tahanan na agaw ni Maka. Chill lang, Belio. Back to Maka. At nakuha ni Pampiona. Pampiona na mamadali. Sina-sandwich. At nakuha ang bola from Pampiona ni Belio. Alvero to Belio. Sa labas, 3-pointer. At hindi napasok.
Rebound daw inira ngayon ate. Grabe tala rebound.
Belio, sumusugod.
Grabe tala offensive rebound.
Foul by number 25. Number 25 from TCFS has now 4 personal fouls.
Wala. Patnay tahanan.
Remaining time, we have 5 minutes and 2 seconds left in the clock. At ang unang tira ni Belio ay pumasok po mga kaibigan for the second attempt. Pasok pa rin, walang mintis si Belio. Tahanan to Pampiona. Tahanan. Nag-aabang. Back to Losa for 3. At hindi napasok. Rebound by Belio. Belio to Maka. Steady lang mga kaibigan. To Rosales. Vic. Berenguel for the rebound. To Maka. Ibigay kay Pampiona to Tolosa. Aurelia, and that was a block by Arevalo. What an athletic play. Pero nakaputos pa din si Aurelia.
Arevalo na, di ba?
Meantime, we have 4 minutes and 4 seconds left. Current time is 21 minutes after hitting 10 o'clock in the morning. Belio, pull-up jumper hindi pumasok. Cantabis to Aurelia. Rebound by Berenguel with a struggle. Rosales to Berenguel. Alvero to Maka. To Belio, post moves, big, and that's out of bounds. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Lamang po ng 10 puntos ang North Leyte. 59 over 49. 12 to shoot. At hindi nakuha ni Tolosa, pasa ni Cadavis. Time out! Remaining time, we have 3 minutes and 3 seconds left in our clock. 3 minuto ng ating laro. North Leyte, 59 points. TCFS, 49 points. Rosales binalik. 14 seconds to shoot. Beringel nakuha ni tahanan. To Natividad. Kumakaripa si Natividad. At hindi pumasok ang layup. Baka forcing the ball. Then went in. Cadavis to Tolosa. Papiona for 2. For the meantime, we have 2 minutes and 19 seconds left in our clock. I hope you guys are doing well. $14 seconds left. Last 2 minutes. Tolosa to Natividad. West buhay na to. At
balik.
abusan.
Balik.
To Natividad.
Bumbantay.
Substitution. In the meantime, we have 1 minute and 15 seconds in the clock. There's a lot of things that are happening here, and I hope you guys are enjoying the show. $14 to shoot, shot clock. 10, 5, 4. That's 2 points from Baka. In the meantime, we have 1 minute and 25 seconds for 3. Cadavis, and that's in. In the meantime, we have 1 minute and 19 seconds. Baka. 10 to shoot, shot clock. 5, 4, 3. Pull-up jumper, hindi napasok. Remaining time, we have 55 seconds left. Cadavis to Tolosa for 3. Hindi napasok. Papiona to Cadavis for 3. Hindi pa rin. Remaining time, we have 40 seconds left in our clock. Chill lang. Pero, Tuambestos. Sinusunog ang oras. 14 seconds left. Out of bounds.
Salamat siya ka 3 points. Balik ito momentum.
Time out by North Leyte. Ang init-init ng laro guys. Sa tingin nyo. Okay. Cadavis for 3.
Nice!
Pasok ang tira ni Cadavis. Binabantayan, full court press with 18 seconds remaining in the clock. Beringel to Bistos. Pinagpapasa-pasaan ang bola. Muli na kay Pebrona. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1. That's in by Alvaro.
Pamatay sunog.
Remaining time 3 seconds. Our winner for the championship game, North Leyte. And this is your host for today.